Hey guys, it's me Samoa. In this video I'm going to show you a budget-friendly and affordable jelly printing tool. So let's get started. I've been seeing a lot of companies and brands come out with their own shaped jelly plates, and it got me thinking about something I've been seeing a lot in well, it was a trend a while ago. It's not a trend anymore. And I thought it'd be fun to see if we can jelly print on it, since what the material is, it would be really easy to clean and very fun to use. So let me kind of introduce. I'm not playing with them in my hand. So what are these? These are silicone brushes. A while back this was a really big trend in the makeup community to use these to put makeup on. Just FYI, they don't really work, but these are very affordable to buy. They're less than $1 a piece, and you can get several different shapes. I have a teardrop shape here, I have a circle, and then I have 2 diamonds, but I think you can get squares and maybe a rectangle, but I'm not really sure. They have changed a little bit, but these are really amazing to use for jelly printing. They are silicone, so it means they clean up really easy, and they are non-stick, so nothing will really stick to the surface. It'll come off really easy. You won't have any issues. I have had one over time yellow a little bit. I don't think you guys can really tell that it's yellowed, but it has, but not much of a big problem. So let me show you kind of how this works. You're just gonna need some nice paint. I have a bunch of cheap acrylic paint over here and a brayer. This brayer is actually from AliExpress, but you can buy ones, bigger ones. This is a small, like 2.5 inch roughly brayer that I got. I think it's $1 off of eBay. I'll link all my stuff below. I have some just A2 card fronts we're gonna play around with and just show you, and then I might make another video making cards with these, so or doing projects with these, showing you kind of what you can do. So let's get our paint down. It's the same way, and you can buy multiples of these and play around with them. So I'm going to use this Martha Stewart multi-surface pearl paint, and it's like a pink color. And you really don't need much. Like, you really don't need much at all, because you're working on such a small surface. See, that's way too much. It's okay. You have a piece of paper to wipe it off. That's way too much. Yeah, it's gonna be really gloppy. I'm missing like the main color I wanted to add on here, which was the pearl color. I didn't want to drop its pearl color because it's like completely disappearing. There we go. It's such a mess already, but hey, what can you do? And then we're gonna bring your paper to it, a little glob here, and then you can just go back over it and add more. I put paper down the wrong way, but another glob. And then let's keep going. Literally can keep going forever. So just kind of lining them up. And of course I have a mess on my desk already. Okay, and you literally can keep going. So I kind of want to get rid of this little glob I have in the corner. So I'm gonna pretend like I did this on purpose. I think we're starting to run out now. If so, literally a little dab of paint, a tiny amount of paint, and then I'm gonna put another one in the corner over here. And see if I can squeeze out just one more print over in this corner. Yeah, I did. So that's what our print looks like. Really cool. And you could do a card with this if you wanted to. So let's play. I'm not gonna wash it off or wash it off later. We'll do a different shape. I'll do this diamond shape here. Move that over. Let's use some other colors. And I have 2 of these diamonds, so we're gonna even do double on here. So I'm gonna do one with blue, and then do one with this, like, what do you call this color? It's called Key West, but I don't know what you call it. Like a, it's not turquoise. I don't know. Okay, let me clean off my brayer real quick. I'm gonna have a little pink in here, but I'm not too upset. And we're gonna go. Now, if things are moving while you're doing this, like this one's moving a little bit, you can always put like double-sided tape on the bottom of them, on the back, to keep them still, and then just take it off when you're done. Okay, so you can do a pattern with this. So I'm gonna do like that. Bring my paper over and squish it down. Oh, when it fell off my desk. Oh gosh, that's funny. Okay. So you can see how that looks. And you can go around and play with this some more to add some more colors back on here. And if you want to, all you need to do is just add a little more paint to this. Like, this is how much paint I'm adding, like that little dot of paint, literally, because you don't need much. It's really small area. You can always put it like on a palette if you're really scared that you add too much directly to it and get globs. So you can do like a palette paper and just put it down there. And then we're gonna, I don't know where you want to add this. I think I'll just do this pattern, and then I'll see like where I want to put that on my paper. I don't know. You know what? I'll do one at a time, because I think I'm doing a pattern here. So move this out the way and put that down. And then I think I want to do something here or right here. We'll do right here. So I'll stay like that, and then I'm going to go right here. And then you can add to this, but you have this nice, cool, interesting pattern in your background that you can play around with. Very simple. And you can keep going. Not cleaning it up, because we're going to clean it up at the end. Last shape I have to use, we're going to use a yellow and a green. So that's way too much. And I'm going to clean off my brayer real quick. You know, it's like a rag or something, and wipe it off, make sure. Just a little bit. And then we're going to merge these colors in here. You know, you can make this an avocado and have a little avocado stamp right there. That's cute. Keep going. So, so I get a bunch of like little avocado-like shapes. Make sure I'm in frame for you guys. And if you need more paint, all you need to do is just add little tiny drops of paint on here, barely even scratching the surface. Okay, move the paper over, and I'm gonna go here, and there you go. Those nice, interesting patterns. And if you want to, you can always pick these up and stamp them down and position them. You want to get your hands messy a little bit doing that method, but you can do it. Okay, So we just played around. I just want to do this brief video for you guys. And of course, since they're jelly prints, they dry pretty quickly. But we have this shape, this one, and in my next video, I want to do, I'm going to show you guys how I make these into like card fronts and stuff. And they're all a little bit glittery, which I just noticed that because of that shimmer paint I used on the base of some of these. That's shimmery. Oh yeah, because the brayer was still shimmering. Okay. Now the paint has dried on these over here. I wanted to do that. I wanted to show you. Wait. Oh no, the paint's dried. Of course, it's not a big deal. There's a lot of different ways you can get this off. First way is just, I'm gonna try to just do it with water and see what happens, and then just wipe it off. So let's see how that works. And I got most of the red paint off. So you can do that again, just soak it with some water. I'm just using a rag, and it comes off really quick because this is silicone, and most of us know paint and stuff don't really stick to silicone. So how simple it is. You might get some stubborn spots, but you can go get some soap and water and clean them off if you feel like doing all that. I don't, so I'm not going to. But I wanted to show you, you don't really have to worry. Of course, having this paint here is not going to do anything. You can always do the other method people have done when they have paint still on their jelly plate. You know, you just put more paint on top. Okay, clean that off. Like green on here. And jelly print right here. So you can have a lot of fun with this. Don't let like this for you, and these are really affordable. I'll leave some links below for you guys to add some nice cool texture to your pieces. As if you can always pick it up and stamp it like this, and then when you're done, just clean it up. I might do another one right here again. I want to do one in the middle. When you're done, clean them up. Really simple. Just do it really quickly. And then go about your day. And these are really small. You can store these like you can go to your local like dollar store and get like baby wipe containers and store them in there if you want to. It's up to you to do that. I'm just having fun over here. Don't pay attention to me. Or you can just put them in a drawer. You do want to be careful though. They can get damaged. So try your best to keep them away from sharp items. I have this thing, if you guys remember, I used this a while ago to apply paint in some fun ways. This was near a blade and got a little cut over here. So I don't know if that's still, is that affected? Let me see. We're gonna find out how badly that cut affected it. No, it's good. It's just catching, paint's catching in that little cut mark. I don't know if you can see that, but right there, that spot, that's where it got cut, and the paint's just kind of collecting there. But it still works. You don't want to damage. You just don't want your things to get damaged. So, anything else to say about that? Clean that up. So, I hope this video was like helpful. Save some money, guys, if you really want to do some like small shaped jelly printing and you don't want to make your own, because you know, ingredients and keeping it from molding and stuff. And you can just do this method, and these are really cheap and cool to look at and very fun to squish. They're really fun. So much love, and I will talk to you later. Bye. Get crafty.